This is how this is how I start a fire. Cotton ball. Spread it apart. Cotton ball, spread it apart. Don't make it too thick. Get it nice and tucked in there. Nicely tucked. This thing's really nice. You're gonna learn today. Look at that, two little swipes. That's all it takes. No lighter, just flint. Just some flint. Make sure always start with the small kindling, small pines, little small sticks. And build it up. Get the heat going. Get yourself a fire. No lighter, no bullshit, no lighter fluid. Like I said, buy one of these things. Best on the market.